Hello and welcome back to AtsBay Online Classes YouTube channel. Please do like this video and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our next upload. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed, and please watch the video till the end. This is part of one of our classes on our website which is related to white magic spells. At the end of this video, you will get information about the class. Thank you so much. To another spell class. So this spell is for marriage to happen. So between two people. So the often it happens like, two people want to get married, and they are trying for many years and doesn't happen. And this is the scenario when the two people know each other, and sometimes there are obstacles in the form of parents, sometimes there are other obstacles. Sometimes the girl or boy are living the girl and the boy are living in two different countries, and they cannot get leave to come to one particular place and get married. That is one scenario. And also many times there will be the boy's parents will be objecting, or the girl's parents will be objecting. So and the boy and the girl want both parents to be accepting, and then only they want to go ahead with marriage. So that is also a continuation of the first scenario. Now there is another scenario where there will be somebody is getting a lot of proposals, but marriage is not happening. Everything talks go on, the boy and girl meet, all that, but finally in the end it fizzles out and the wedding does not happen. So that is another scenario. So that means there is a block in the person's life. Blocks can be removed using various methods, but we will not go into all that now. This is one of the most common issues that happen in a marriage situation. Like marriage is delayed due to unknown factors. We don't know why the marriage is delayed. Everything is going all right, but it is delayed. One is that, and the other one is the two people who know each other. In the second scenario, it is two people who don't know each other yet, but are going according to the customs of the community, and they want to go. They have not. Maybe they have just met, and they are like each other, and the families are talking about it, but something happens in the end and the marriage doesn't happen. So that is the second scenario. In these two scenarios you can do the spell. So if a client comes to you saying about there is a marriage problem, marriage is not happening, I have a lot of clients like that who has who have this issue in their lives, that marriage is not happening. Everything is fine, everything is okay, ready and all that, but marriage is not happening. So in this scenario, if somebody comes to you, you can do the spell. Now let us look at what we have here. See, I have removed my pentacle from there because I have a lot of things to keep here and there is no space. So I just removed the pentacle from there. But just imagine that the pentacle is there. For me, I see it like that. Even if it is not there physically, also in my mind's eye, my pentacle is there. Okay, so that is my strength. So now I have what do I have here? You can see I have two papers there with two hearts drawn on them with the red ink, red marker pen. So I've taken one wax sheet of paper, that is a wax paper which we use for butter paper, wax paper, whatever you say for that, we use for cooking and baking. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to enroll for this class which has 50 white magic spells, please do contact us on the WhatsApp number given here, and we will help you with the procedure. Thank you once again. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all our uploads.